Welcome to English with Sarta here. Future continuous tense. We normally use future continuous when we are at the middle of an action in future. Formula subject plus to be present participle means ing form. You will be watching TV. I will be staying. Here we can see subject plus will shall plus be plus first one plus ing plus object. You will be watching TV on Sunday. This is a future continuous. On Sunday, Sunday hasn't come yet, so it is future continuous. Future time is there. Other example of present future continuous: we will be shifting to a new home next year. He will be flying a kite. It will be raining tomorrow. She'll be enjoying her vacations. He will be expecting honesty from his employee. She will be delivering a speech to people. Negative subject plus will not plus be plus first one plus ing plus object. He will not be washing your clothes. Other examples of negative sentences: we will not be shifting to a new home next year. He will not be flying a kite. It won't be or will not be raining tomorrow. She will not be enjoying her vacations. He will not be expecting honesty from his employees. She will not be delivering a speech to people. Interrogative: will plus subject plus be plus first one plus ing plus object. Will you be helping the people? Question mark. Other example of interrogative sentence: will we be shifting a new home next year? Will he be flying a kite? Will it be raining tomorrow? Will she be enjoying her vacations? Will he be expecting honesty from his employees? Will she be delivering a speech to people? Other examples of affirmative, negative, interrogative and negative interrogative: I'll be staying, I won't be staying, or I will not be staying. Will I be staying? Interrogative negative या negative interrogative: won't I be staying? Basically, won't I be staying is in conversation, common in conversation, but in writing, will I not be staying? WH questions: what, where, why, when, how, which. Will subject I view the he sheet. Be then ing form object question mark. What will I be reading? Where will I be reading? Why will I be reading? How will I be reading? When will I be reading? Thank you for watching.